Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter multiplication fluency. And the lessons we're going to cover today are multiplication tables up to 12, multiplication facts up to 12 true or false, multiplication facts up to 12 select the missing factor, multiplication sentences up to 12 true or false. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions on your notebook. So we are already working on the chapter we have done with so many lessons related to multiplication. They are for multiplication table 2, 3, 5, and 10, and all these lessons. So the basic thing is we are here to learn the multiplication tables actually, right? So as in every session I say, if you still not good with multiplication tables, so try to do them now, right? Because it's never too late. So start working on the tables. Today tables are very, very important if you need to be perfect with multiplication and division also, right? Because multiplication and division are interrelated. So if you are perfect with multiplication tables, that means you are perfect with the division also, right? So let's just start with the lesson. That is again the, you can say that that is a type of reading, right? So the first example is 4 times 2. Basically, multiplication is repeated additions. You need to add again and again, right? For the smaller numbers, it's okay. You can add, right? But when you have greater numbers and you have long number, it is very difficult to add again and again. So that's why this multiplication, right? So like for example, you can see here you have 4 times 2, right? 4 times 2 means you need to add 2 4 times or 4 2 times. Whatever you do, answer is same. Either you do 4 plus 4, you add 4 2 times, or you add 2 4 times. In both the cases, the answer is exactly 8, right? So the correct option is 2 times 4 is 8. Got it? So let's just start with the test questions. If you already know the answers, you can write down the answers in the chat box. The first one is 2 times 4. So which is the correct option? 2 times 4 is, you can add, like you can add 4 2 times, or either you can add 2 4 times. Both the cases, the answer is exactly same. So 2 times 4 is 8. The correct option is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. You can count a table of 2 until 4 or table 4 until 2. Okay, 5 times 3, which is the correct option? 5 times 3 equal, we are given 3 of the options, 13, 14, and 15. So which is the, yes, very good. 3 times 5 equals 15. The correct option is 15. Got it? 5 times 3 is 15. The next one is 1 times 4, which is the correct option? 1 times 4 equal. Very good. The correct option is 4. 1 times 4 is 4. The next one is 2 times 1. So multiply, whenever you multiply any number with 1, the answer is exactly the same number, right? No matter what the number is. When you multiply by the 1, the answer is exactly the same number. That is known as the identity property of multiplication, right? So 2 times 1 is, yes, it is 2 times 1 equals 2. The next one is multiply 1 times 3, which is the correct option. 1 times 3 equal, yes, 1 times 3 equals 3. Multiply 5 times 5, which is the correct option. You can count a table of 5 until 5. So 5 times 5 equal, very good. The correct option is 25. 5 times 5 equal 25. The next one is 1 times 1. 1 times 1 equal, one times 1 equal 1. The correct option is 1. Very good. The next one is 2 times 4, which is the correct option. Two times 4 is, yes, very good. That is 8. 2 times 4 equal 8. Very good. 4 times 3 equal, very good. The correct option is 12. 4 times 3 equal 12. The next one is multiply 2 times 5 or 5 times 2, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 10. Very good. 2 times 5 is 10. The next one is 4 times 5, which is the correct option. Very good. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So the all the chapter multiplication fluency is related to the tables and tables, right? The next one is multiplication facts up to 12, true or false. So you are given a sentence, you need to see if the sentence is true or false, right? How do you see? How do you see if both the sides have exactly same answer? That means that is the true. Like for example, the first one is the number sentence true or false? That is 4 times 4 equals 12, right? So you need to see 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 4 times 4. When you count a table of 4 until 4, the correct option is 16, right? So 16 is not equal to 12. Both sides are not equal, so that is false, right? That's how you can see both the sides like answer. On both the sides, the answer is same. That means the correct. That is true, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Is the number sentence true or false? 9 times 3 equals 27. Is it true or false? Yes, that is true, right? Because 9 times 3 is 27 and 27 is equal to 27. So that is true. When you solve this side, 9 times 3 is 27. On this side, you already have 27. So they both are exactly equal. So that is true. Got it? Sentence true or false? 4 times 7 equals 28. Which is the correct option? Yes, it is true. Very good. 4 times 7 equals 28. That is true. Is the number sentence true or false? 11 times 4 equal 44. Which is the correct option? Yes, it is true. 11 times 4 equal 44. The correct option is true. Is the number sentence true or false? 3 times 9 equal 36. 3 times 9 equal 36. That is false, it is, right? False, it is. False, it is. Because 3 times 9 is 27, not 36, right? You can just wait, read the question carefully, and then answer, right? No hurries. 3 times 9 equal 36. That is false. When you count a table of 3 until 9, the answer is 27, and 27 is not equal to 36. So that is false. Is the number sentence true or false? 8 times 5 equal 48. Is it true or false? Okafal, hold on. Just write the answer once. And for this one, the answer is false because 8 times 5 is not 48. You need to be work on the tables. 8 times 5 equals 48. That is false. Is the number sentence true or false? 4 times 10 equals 36. Is it true or false? Just stop guessing the answers. 4 times 10 equals 36. That is also false because 4 times 10 is 40. So false it is. Is the number sentence true or false? 12 times 5 equals 58. Is it true or false? 12 times 5 equals 58. Is it true or false? False it is because 12 times 5 is 60. It is false. Think and then answer. 12 times 5 is 40. So that is also false. Is the number sentence true or false? 1 times 2 equals 4. Which is the correct option? One times two equals four. That is also false. Very good. Is the number sentence true or false? Two times seven equals seven. Is it true or false? False it is because two times seven is 14. So yes, very good. That is also false. Is the number sentence true or false? 5 times 8 equals 40. Is it true or false? Eight times five is 40. True it is. The correct option is true. Is the number sentence true or false? 1 times 3 equals 3, which is the correct option. Very good. True it is. 1 times 3 equals 3, that is true. Is the number sentence true or false? 2 times 9 equals 17. Is it true or false? 2 times 9 equals 18, right? Not 17. So this is also false. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next one is select multiplication facts up to 12. Select the missing factor. Okay, so you are given a product. You need to find the product, like you are given the product of two numbers. You need to find the numbers, right? Which two numbers you multiply to get the number. For example, here you are given 42. You are given some numbers there 5, 6, 7, and 9. You have to see which two numbers when you multiply have the answer 42, right? So 5 is not the factor of 40. You have 6, 6 is a factor of 40. But 6 times what number is 42? 6 times 7 is 42, not 7 times 9. 6 times 7 is 42. So you guys please start working on the tables from today. 6 times 7 is 42. Let's just start with the test question. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. So you are given two of the options. When you are given the options, that will be easy for you to select the answer. You are given the options 4, 6 and 8, 9. 4 times 6 is 72. Is it the correct one? 4 times 6 is 24, not 72, right? That means then the correct option is 9 times 8. Got it? 9 times 8 is 72. This way, selecting the answer is easy. Otherwise, you have to see the options. The options are 4, 6, 8, 9. So, again, 4 times 6 is not 72. 4 times 8 is also not 72. And 4 times 9 is 36. So, obviously, 8 times 9 is 72. The correct option is 8 and 9. You can think logically. Like choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. So you are given 2, 5, 7, and 9. You have to see which two numbers have, when you multiply them, they have the answer 14. So which is the correct option? You are given two of the options 2, 7, and 5, 9. So which is the correct option? Which two numbers? Yes, they are 2 times 7. Very good. 2 times 7 equal 14. The correct option is 14 because 5 times 9 is 45. So 2 and 7 is the correct option. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. Which two numbers have the product 40? We are given options 8, 5 and 2, 7. Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 8 times 5. Very good. 8 times 5 equal 14. Got it? The correct option is 8 times 5 is 40. Option 1 is the correct option. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. So which two numbers have the product 15? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 3 times 5. The correct option is 3 times 5 equal 15. The correct option is 3 and 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. Dash and dash have the product 18. Which two numbers when multiplied have the answer 18? The correct option is 3 times 6 equals 18. The correct option is 18. 3 times 6 equals 18. Very good. No, actually, writing 3 and 6 without space. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. Which two numbers have the product 18? Yes, very good. That is 9 times 2. 9 times 2 equal 18. The correct option is 18. The correct option is 2 times 9 is 18. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. Which two numbers have the product 16? Yes, that is 2 times 8 equals 16. The correct option is 8 times 2, option number 1 is the correct option. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. Which two numbers have the product 28? Which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is 7 times 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 it is. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. Which two numbers have the product 45? Very good. That is 9 times 5. 9 times 5 equals 45. The correct option is option number 2, that is 5 and 9. They have the product 45. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. Which two numbers have the product 6, which is the correct option? The correct option is 2 times 3 equals 6. The correct option is option number 1. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is multiplication sentences up to 12, true or false. Okay, so basically now you are given the multiplication sentence on both the sides, right? You have to see if both the sides have exactly same answer. The numbers are different on both sides, right? You need to see if they have they have the same product. Like you have, is the number sentence true or false? So you are given 4 times 6 equals 12 times 2. So which is the correct option? You have to multiply both the side. Like you have to do 4 times 6. 4 times 6 equals 24, right? Then you have to solve the other side, that is 12 times 2. That is also 24. So both sides have exactly same answer. That means that is true. Got it? Both sides must have the same answer. If both sides have the same answer, the answer is the correct one. The true. Is the number sentence true or false? 2 times 8 equals 11 times 1. Now you have to solve both sides and you have to see if they have the same answer. 2 times 8 is 16 and 11 times 1 is 11. So both the sides are not equal. So that is false. The correct option is false. The correct option is false. Is the number sentence true or false? 1 times 10 equal 2 times 5. 1 times 10 equal 2 times 5, which is the correct option. Yes, that is true. Because 1 times 10 is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. The correct option is true. 6 times 8 equals 12 times 4. Six times 8 equals 12 times 4, which is the correct option. Yes, that is true. Because 6 times 8 is 48 and 12 times 4 is also 48. So both sides are exactly equal. So that is true. PK, I am not your friend. You have to call me teacher. Is the number sentence true or false? Is the number sentence true or false? 12 times 8 equals 11 times 9, which is the correct option. That is false because 12 times 8 is 96 and 11 times 9 is 99. So that would be false. Both sides are not equal. So that is false. Is the number sentence true or false? 2 times 12 equals 3 times 8, which is the correct option. 12 times 2 is 24 and 8 times 3 is also 24. So that is true. The correct option is very good. It is true. Is the number sentence true or false? 4 times 6 equals 12 times 2, which is the correct option. Yes, it is true. The correct option is true. 4 times 6 is 24 and 2 times 12 is also 24. Is the number sentence true or false? 1 times 8 equals 2 times 4, which is the correct option. Yes, it is true. Both sides are exactly equal. 8 times 1 is 8 and 4 times 2 is 8. Is the number sentence true or false? 1 times 8 equals 3 times 6. The correct option is false. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 math. So we're working on grade 3 math. The chapter we're working on is multiplication fluency, and the lessons we have covered: multiplication tables up to 12, multiplication tables up to 12 true or false, multiplication facts up to 12, select the missing factor, multiplication sentences up to 12 true or false. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any questions related to the lesson we have just finished, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, thank you. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.